Hello, continuing with your review of algebra. These are the basic problems, the fundamentals. Given that m is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 2, calculate the value of mn squared and m plus n in parentheses times m minus n in parentheses. Once again, pause the video, take out your notebook and pencil and solve the problem. Remember to pause the video. Great. So have you solved this part of the problem? Problem A. Now, what this question is testing is your knowledge of substituting numerical values into a term or an expression. So where you see you're given m is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 2. The operation you have to carry out is substitute the numerical values of 3, m equal to 3 in the expression mn squared, and the value of n minus 2 here. Now, there's a trick that's being pulled on you in the sense that they're using negative numbers, minus 2, because most students get confused when they say minus 2 and they don't know how to make the substitution. Well, this is how it's done. You plug in the value of m equal to 3 in the expression. We're working on this problem here, a. So we have m equal to 3, put in the value of 3, m, and n squared, n is given as minus 2, so we put n minus 2 in parentheses. You see it there, raised to the second power. When it's done this way, it's very clear what your operation is. You have to first work on the parentheses. Minus 2 squared is minus 2 multiplied by itself, which gives you plus 4 or 4. Then 3 by 4 will give you 12, so that's how you get the answer. The mistakes many students make is here. This is the area here that gives them difficulty. Okay, so you want to avoid that. So let me just erase that. So avoid that mistake. Now let's look at this part of the problem. Now here you have to plug in the value of m, 3 plus n is minus 2. You have to make sure you have the signs correct. Here you have m minus n. So the question is designed to trick you, because many students have difficulty with the directed numbers, minus 2. So you see, when you use the parentheses here, it's clear when we see the value, when we see the variable m, we plug in the value continuing. There was a mistake in the printing there. So where you see the value of m, we plug in the value of 3. Where we see n, plug in the value of minus 2. m3, we use the same sign there and we plug in the value of minus 2. Students make the mistake here. They put just 2, so they get the problem wrong. So it is now 3 plus minus 2 is 1. 3 minus minus 2 minus minus 2 gives you 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so that you have 5 there, and that's the answer. So the trick is be careful with the signs of the numbers that you're using.